This is the Miller MA03 7046, our flat drop fiber to the home prep kit. This kit has everything you need to access and prepare a flat drop fiber optic cable for termination. First, we're going to remove the toner wire using the MB03 7120 toner remover tool. Simply line up the blade with the webbing, clamp, and pull. Second, we use the MB04 twister drop slitter to safely score each side of the cable and expose the buffer tube and strength members. Using the snips, now is a good time to trim off the jacket and strength members. To access the fiber, we use the FTTX buffer tube scoring tool and ring the tube approximately 2 times, scoring, not cutting the buffer tube, so you can safely expose the fiber. Using the smallest notch on the CFS3, strip off the acrylate coating and expose the fiber to make it ready for fusion splicing or termination. Some buffer tubes are more flexible. These types you can strip with the largest notch on the CFS3. When needed, the KS2 shears also trim the kevlar strength members with ease.